Hello everyone, and welcome to my crochet channel. I'm Sara Sach, and today I wanted to do a quick intro video for our YouTube channel just to let you know the fun things and the yarny things that are going to be happening this year. Of course, we're still going to do lots of fun crochet tutorials, and I hope you'll take a few minutes and sort through some of my playlist and see what we've done in the past. Please be kind. We're also going to continue with our Tuesday Coffee and Crochet with Sara. It's a really fun time for us to get together for 30 minutes to put away the cares of the world and just get together with yarny friends. And on our videos that we do every Tuesday, we have giveaways. We have giveaway of the month, and we also have crochet togethers where we crochet something fun together. For example, the last one we did was we made velvet hair scrunchies, and it was lots of fun. We also talk about yarn, new yarns, and some old yarns, fun yarns, and just different crochet hooks and techniques. Like I said, a fun time just to get together, tell a few jokes, and laugh. We also have a year-long crochet along going on. This year's crochet along is called Stitch of the Month. And what we're going to do with the Stitch of the Month is each month we're going to learn a new stitch. We're going to make a swatch, and then we'll use that, what we have learned, with a quick crochet project to practice. It'll be lots of fun, and I hope you'll join us for that as well. We've done many other crochet alongs, some a year long, some 2, 3, 4, or 5 days. So again, check that playlist and see if you can find those. They'll always be there when you have the time to do them. And so the last thing I want to say is thank you, because I can't do any of this without all of you. We'll see you on our next video.